Hey, welcome back to another episode. Today we are going to talk about another tense present, perfect progressive. Traditionally, I will show you the grammar side of it. In this lesson and in the next lesson, I will teach you when to use it. In a nutshell, present, perfect progressive describes an action that started in the past and is still going on. How do we use present, perfect progressive? First comes the subject, followed by auxiliary verb, have or has, plus been, plus the verb with ing ending. We have been working on this paper for days. He has been working on Wall Street since 2008. The police have been investigating this murder for years now. She has been living with her mom ever since she was born. To make it question, auxiliary verb have or has comes before the subject instead of after it. For example, what have you been doing since she left you? What a smell have you been drinking? How long have you been working with him? Since when have they been trying to find the murder? To make negative, we use have not or its contraction haven't, and has not or its contraction hasn't. For example, now I haven't been drinking, it's my perfume. She hasn't been working since she lost her job 5 years ago. All these years, the police haven't even been looking for the suspect. We are done here. In the next episode, we're going to talk about when we actually use present perfect progressive, so stay tuned.